There's a place in Minami, Osaka where you can dine, shop, and enjoy bright neon lights. Dotonbori is Osaka's most famous tourist destination. It is also one of the most colorful areas in Osaka and a must-visit location when traveling through Kansai region. From Osaka Station, take the subway and get off at Namba Station. Take the number 14 exit and from there, it's a 5 to 10 minute walk to Dotonbori. One of the things that you can do here is take a selfie with Glicoman, the symbol of Minami, Osaka. You can take a boat ride in the river and learn the history of Dotonbori from your tour guides. If you love shopping, it has one of Japan's most famous discount stores, Don Quijote. It has 6 floors where you can buy anything from souvenirs to high-end bags. But before shopping, ride the Ferris wheel in front of the shop and have a great view of Dotonbori. Now, let's find a place to eat. Dotonbori is one of the places in Osaka to try the local food like Okonomiyaki, Takoyaki, and Yakisoba. For crab lovers out there, there's a famous restaurant for you to try. If you are into ramen and you want to eat in peace, then Ichiran Ramen is for you. That's it for now. Until next time, mata ne.